Hi everybody, welcome to Thursday's maths lesson. It's Thursday, that's the fourth day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So let's get started straight away, how we always start our lessons, with some counting. Are you ready? Get your fingers ready. Here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Well done for keeping up with me. Now, should we have a go doing that funny counting again? Remember I said in other parts of the world, when they're counting in their own languages, it makes things much easier for them when they're doing their maths, when they're counting. So let's give it a go. All right, see if you can join in with me. Starting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then this is where it goes a bit funny, 110. So I've got one lot of 10 there, haven't I? So we say 110. 110 1, 110 2, 110 3, 110 4, 110 5, 110 6, 110 7, 110 8, 110 9, 2 tens. 210 1, 210 2, 210 3, 210 4, 210 5, 210 6, 210 7, 210 8, 210 9, 3 tens. It's very complicated and it's a little bit tricky, all right, but it's going to help you when you get older, when you're doing your maths. All right, let's move on and have a look at these pencils. One of them is the odd one out. Can you work out which one is the odd one out? Have a look really closely. All right, it might be more than one answer this time again. So look closely and see what you think. I'll look too. Did you work it out? Now, it could be a few of them, couldn't it? I think it might be this one, because it's looking in the wrong direction. All of the others are pointing this way, but this one is pointing that way. So that could be one of the ones that is the odd one out. Look closely, see what else you think. Maybe this one, because this one looks orange and all the others look a little bit yellow, don't they? This one could be the answer as well. Did you come up with another one? Did you think this one here? Why did you think this one? Shout it out for me, I can't hear. You said it's long. Yes, this is the long pencil and all of these are short, aren't they? We've got one long pencil and all the others are short. Let's have a look. Yes, that's the one I thought maybe was the answer. It's the long pencil and all of the others are short. Okay, looking closely at this, I'm going to have a go at making the number 8 with the Pneumacon. So here's 8 to get us started. Let's see what I've got to make our number 8. I've got a number 1 to start with. What do I need for here? I've got 1 and 7. 1 and 7, that makes 8. Here's another one then. We've got 8 again. We've got 6 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do I need? Did you say 2? You're right. 6 and 2, that makes 8. Okay, here's another one. Oh, I'm starting with a 3 this time. So I've got 3 And what else do I need? 3 and what? 3 and 5. 3 and 5 make 8. Well done if you said 5. Okay, I've got another one for you. So I've got 4 at the bottom there. What else do I need? 4 and what make 8? 4 and 4. That's a double, isn't it? 4 and 4 makes 8. Well done if you spotted that. Okay. Now, this is the main part of our lesson. I'm going to get you to try and visualise a number line. We had that number line yesterday. And if I say visualise, it's a bit like painting a picture or drawing a picture, but only inside your head. Right? Sometimes you can do it with your eyes closed and it feels like you're painting or drawing the picture on the backs of your eyes. So if I ask you to visualise something, I want you to think of it inside your head. So I might ask you to visualise a car. And straight away, I bet lots of you have got a lovely car there and you've got the wheels on the side as well. I might ask you to visualise a dinosaur. And I bet some of you have got a dinosaur with a big long neck. But some of you have got a scary Tyrannosaurus Rex. Urgh. So visualise means doing a picture inside your head. And I want you to visualise a number line. And my friend here is going to help you. So his first bit of advice, it says, picture a straight line in your mind. So we're going to have a long straight line like this. Here we go. Now, his next piece of advice says, put some small lines on the long line. So look at it here, like that. So can you visualise that inside your head? So you might have your eyes closed, you've got a long line, and then lots of little lines going all along it. Now, his next piece of advice, it says, start with a 0 on the first line. So in your head, visualise you've got that 0 on that first line. And you're going to continue with all of the other numbers up to 10 and stop there. Okay. It says you should have a number line in your mind with 0 to 10. So have a look at this one. Does that look a bit like the one inside your head? Hopefully it will help you. All right, because we're going to do a few more jobs now with that number line. I'll still have them on the screen, but you can try and visualise it in your head. Okay. So it says you can count forwards on a number line. I've got a circle around the 0. I'm going to count forwards. So watch as that circle moves along the number line and you can count along with it. Here we go. 0, then goes to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so you might have a circle on your number line as well and it moves along as well. Now his next piece of advice, it says you can also count backwards on a number line. So starting at the 10, we're going to count in the opposite direction. We're going to count backwards. So we'll start at 10 and finish on 0. So here we are. Let's see if you can follow the red circle. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And you might have had a circle on your number line going backwards as well. Okay. Oh dear. My number line's got a number missing. Can you help me? Look at that number line that's inside your head. Can you see which number I need to put in here? What number can you picture inside your head? I could also have a look at the gap here. I could see the number that comes after it is the number 6. And I can see the number before it is the number 4. I'm going to look at that number line inside my head. Find the number 4. Oh, it's there. And after it, there's that number there. And then, oh, there we are. That number before, there we are. Oh, it was the 6. So before it, what's before the 6? It's the number 5. So there we are. Oh, we've got another number missing now. Oh, dearie me. What's the number before and after it? We've got the number 2, the missing number. And then after it, we've got the number 4. So before it, we've got 2. And after, we've got 4. Visualise it in my head again. The 2 and the 4. Oh, in between. What number is it? Shout it out. It's the number 3. You're right. Okay. There it is. Now, oh, we've got another number missing now. It's up at this end. Before it, we've got the 8. And after it, we've got the number 10. You might know it already, but you might visualise that number line in your head. There's the 8 and the 10. What's the number in between? It's the number 9, isn't it? Here we go. Oh dear. There's a number missing at the beginning. Do you know what it is? It's the 0, isn't it? Yes. Well done. Okay, now, we've got some missing numbers on these number lines. Okay, you might want to pause the video to work it out. And then you can come back and tell me in a moment. All right? So I'm going to bring the camera in a bit closer so you can see. All right? Try and work out what the missing numbers are on this number line. And you can tell me in a moment. All right? So I'll zoom in a little bit. You can pause the video and then come back in a moment to tell me what you think the missing numbers are. All right? Here we go. Okay, did you work it out? Let's look at the red number line first, shall we? So here we are along here. The missing number is here. What number goes in between the number 5 and the number 7? So before 7 and after 5, you'd have the number 6. Well done if you said 6. Let's try the green number line. We've got 2 missing numbers now. Here we go. So we've got 2. So what comes after 2? But what comes before the number 4? It's the number 3, isn't it? Well done. And up this end, before the missing number, it's the number 8. And after, it's the number 10. So the missing number has to be number 9. Well done. Now, the bottom one here is a bit trickier because we've got 2 numbers that are next to each other. So that's a bit trickier, isn't it? So we've got before it is the number 6. But after the 2 missing numbers, it's the number 9. Did you work it out? It's the number 7 and the number 8. Well done if you got all of those. Give yourself a big pat on the back. Right, that's the end of our maths lesson for today. I'll let you get on. All right, so you've got some other jobs around the house to be getting on with. All right, but I will see you on Friday for our final lesson of the week. Take care, everybody. Goodbye.